In the captivating and dynamic world of Forex trading, I've meticulously assembled vital tools and beacons of guidance. Immerse yourself in these videos to experience the pulsating energy of this realm and uncover its rich tapestry. Buying and selling currency. Exotic currency pairs. An exotic currency is a currency from countries with developing or emerging markets. Exotic currency pairs are made up of one major currency paired with the currency of an emerging economy, such as Brazil, Mexico, Chile, Turkey, or Hungary. Basically, an exotic currency pair includes one major currency alongside an exotic currency. The chart below contains a few examples of exotic currency pairs. Want to take a shot at guessing what those other currency symbols stand for? Depending on your Forex broker, you may see the following exotic currency pairs, so it's good to know what they are. Keep in mind that these pairs aren't as heavily traded as the majors, or crosses, so the transaction costs associated with trading these pairs are usually bigger. It's not unusual to see spreads that are 2 or 3 times bigger than that of EUR USD or USD JPY. Due to the overall lower degree of liquidity, exotic currency pairs tend to be far more sensitive to economic and geopolitical events. For example, a political scandal or unexpected election results can cause an exotic pair's exchange rate to swing violently. So, if you want to trade exotic currency pairs, remember to factor this into your decision. For those of y'all who are really mesmerized by exotics, here's a more comprehensive list. Aside from the 3 main categories of currency pairs, there are other groups of currencies that are thrown around in the FX world that you should be aware of. G10 currencies. The G10 currencies are 10 of the most heavily traded currencies in the world, which are also 10 of the world's most liquid currencies. Traders regularly buy and sell them in an open market with minimal impact on their own international exchange rates. The Scandinavia is a sub-region in Northern Europe with strong historical, cultural, and linguistic ties. The term Scandinavia in local usage covers the 3 kingdoms of Denmark, Norway, and Sweden. Together, their currencies are known as the Scandies. Back in the day, Denmark and Sweden established the Scandinavian Monetary Union to merge their currencies to a gold standard. Norway joined later. This meant that these countries now had one currency with the same monetary value, with the exception that each of these countries minted its own coins. But then World War I happened, the gold standard was abandoned, and the Scandinavian Monetary Union disbanded. These countries decided to keep the currency, even if the values were separate from one another. And this remains the state of things. If you notice their currency names, they all look similar. That's because the word krone or krona literally means crown, and the differences in spelling of the name represent the differences between the North Germanic languages. Crown currencies. What a cool name, huh? I don't know about you, but saying, "Hook me up with some crowns, yo," sounds way cooler than "hook me up with some dollars, yo." SEK and NOK also have cool nicknames, Stocky and Noki. So when paired with the US dollar, USD SEK is read dollar Stoki, and USD is read dollar Nokie. CEE currencies, CE, stands for Central and Eastern Europe. Central and Eastern Europe is a term encompassing the countries in Central Europe, the Baltics, Eastern Europe, and Southeast Europe, the Balkans, usually meaning former communist states from the Eastern Bloc, Warsaw Pact in Europe. Central and Eastern European countries, CEE-SHES, is an OECD term for the group of countries comprising Albania, Bulgaria, Croatia, the Czech Republic, Hungary, Poland, Romania, the Slovak Republic, Slovenia, and the 3 Baltic states, Estonia, Latvia, and Lithuania. Regarding the FX market, there are four main CCE currencies to be aware of. BRICS is the acronym coined for the association of six major emerging national economies: Brazil, Russia, India, Indonesia, China, and South Africa. Originally, the first four were grouped as BRIC, or the BRICS. BRICS was a term created by Goldman Sachs to name today's new, high-growth emerging economies. BRICS is the term created by the OECD when it added Indonesia and South Africa. Our BRICS Plus. At the BRICS Summit, held in September 2023, the BRICS Plus countries announced plans to expand the grouping to include new members. Argentina, Egypt, Ethiopia, Iran, Saudi Arabia, and the United Arab Emirates have been invited to join as full members from January 2024. The new BRICS Plus will represent 46% of the world population and account for roughly 37% of global GDP. Sincerely and gratefully, I invite you to join us on a journey full of excitement and action to discover your enchanting and magical world. This is a place where you will experience moments full of fun, education, and leisure in the exciting world of exciting content. Please subscribe to our channel so we can start this adventure together. From the bottom of our hearts, we look forward to seeing you change beliefs and discover a whole new world of excitement with this captivating universe.